I'm so glad you came today. But what I'm really excited for is this new movie. It's amazing, but it's sad. It's general, yeah, drama. Drama? Seryoso ka ba? Corny mo naman. Kaya nga, ang corny. Yung bagong movie kaya ngayon. Horror yun eh. Ano nga tawag dun? Final Destination! Yun! O yun, tama! Ganda nun, yun lang! Guys, trust me on this one. It's a great movie. Right, Yancy? Oo nga. Paano niyo muna kasi? Kaya nga, panoodin niyo na lang. Maybe, right after this movie, we can watch the Final Destination. Okay? Hindi nga. Hindi naman tayo mahihiyak dyan eh. Corny. Yun na. Yan na guys, handa na kayo.
Sige, ito na, yung papabago-bago